Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'll be telling us why you should keep posting your videos even if nobody is watching you. Even if you're having low views, just keep posting. My name is Delicious and thank you for joining me. If you're an existing subscriber, I want to say thank you so much for watching me. But if you're just joining my channel for the very first time, please do wait to subscribe, like and share. I really appreciate that. So guys, let's dive right in. Why you should keep posting your videos even if no one is watching? Yes, because no matter how it is, no matter what it takes, there are one or two persons who is going to watch your videos. Yes, you should keep posting your videos, especially if you have gone through my channel and optimized your YouTube channel. If you have optimized your videos, make sure you keep posting. Optimize so YouTube will push it to the right audience. Then don't stop posting. You know why? Some few months back, I was very discouraged and really wanted to quit posting on YouTube. But a particular video of mine went out and hit about 4,000 views, which I was like, wow, so I can actually get to 4,000 views. That is how it is. That particular video, I've posted it like about last year, and I didn't even realize or think this particular video will get to 4,000 views. That's how you cannot tell a particular video that will blow up and you'll be up there. That is why you should not quit posting. Just because you can't tell which particular video will actually go viral and you'll be out there. This particular video hit about 4,000 views even without me knowing. I didn't even believe it can hit about 4,000 views because my videos are always talk and I was getting discouraged. So this is me telling you that don't get discouraged. You know why? Because there's just one particular video that you're going to put out there and it will resonate so well, it will go so well with your audience, and a lot of people will start watching you. You will gain a lot of followers. Then your channel will really be doing great, and at the end of the day you'll really be earning from it because YouTube pays. It pays. YouTube pays and it's real. So don't give up on your channel today. This is me trying to encourage my viewers, my subscribers, that guys, don't give up. YouTube is working for people. YouTube is gonna work for you. Just make sure that you have watched my videos, you've optimized your channel, you've optimized your videos, you're using the right hashtags, you're using cards, you're using the end screens. Make sure you're using tags and make sure that all the rightful settings in your YouTube studio are turned on. Even if you don't have the best of the gadgets, don't get discouraged because it's not just about having the best of gadgets out there. Do well with what you have, optimize what you have, use it, and watch how God is going to do it for you. I love you so much guys, and thank you for always watching me. Thank you so much and have a good day, man.